Welcome to my new channel, everybody. This is Nicole Ascencio, the video editor here. And today, welcome to my new channel. This is my fashion, beauty, and music channel, by the way. So start subscribing to my channel so you don't miss any updates that I will be posting on my end via YouTube channel. Okay? So welcome to my beauty and music channel. It's nice to meet you all for the first time. So start subscribing to my channel so you don't miss any updates that I posted on YouTube. I'm always available via 24/7. Should you have further questions or video requests, feel free to email me at nicoleascencio727@gmail.com and I will get right back to you at 24/7 every day. So here are the following videos that I can only upload for my fashion, beauty, and music channel. Makeup tutorials, dance choreography tutorials, hair tutorials, piano tutorials, nails tutorials, outfits, and styles tutorials videos. Okay, so here are the 6 topics that I chose to upload these videos for my fashion, beauty, and music channel. Anyways, start subscribing to my channel so I can begin to upload videos when you get a notification at any time. Also, at any time, you can also join my channel crew at any time. So please be nice and have fun. If you have any other further questions, you can follow me via Instagram or just email me via Gmail. And I'll get right back to you once you got a notification that you send me a message via Gmail and you comment on my videos. Okay? I'll be here every day at 24/7 should you have any questions or video requests or concerns that you might have. But just remember, these are the following videos I can only upload it because I'm obsessed with fashion, I'm obsessed with beauty, and I'm obsessed with music. Okay? So start subscribing and I'll begin uploading my first videos. Okay? Please be nice and have fun.